back in the music session of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Once again, we are here with our music teacher, Sir Danish, with us. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Myself, Danish Arif, and I'm from the Orchid School. And in this session, we are going to learn so many songs and so many poems. So, guys, I hope you all are ready. So, Amar sir, are you ready for this session?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so Amar. Okay, so in this beginning, we are going to sing God's love is so wonderful. Okay? Come on, sing with me. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now, say with me. So high, you can't get
over it.
That's good again. So high, you can't get
over it.
Over it. That's great. Now sing with me. Okay, so I hope guys कि अब आप लोगों को इसके lyrics याद हो चुके हैं, तो क्यों ना आप मिलकर इसको sing करें हम?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's great. Say with me. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Come on, say, oh, wonderful love. Now it's time to say so
high.
So high. Come on, say so high. You can't get over it. So deep. You can't get under it. So wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful
love.
That's great. Clap for yourself. You sing very nice. Okay, now it's time to sing with rhythm. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. Come on. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Sing. Oh, wonderful love. So high, so high. You can't get over it. So deep. You can't get under it. So wide. You can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful
love.
That's great. Okay, God's love has now done. Okay, so it's time to sing other song. The other song name is The Farmer Plants the Seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. This song is related to germination process. Okay. So we are going to learn the farmer plant the seeds. First we will learn lyrics, then actions, then composition. So I hope you guys are ready now. Okay, so now say with me. The farmer plants the seeds.
The farmer plants the seeds.
Okay, so आप सभी हमारे साथ कह सकते हैं. The farmer plants the seeds.
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 Hi ho the dairy-o.
Hi ho the dairy-o.
The farmer plants the seeds.
The farmer plants the seeds.
Now how to sing? The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi ho the dairy-o. The farmer plants the seeds. Now how to farm the seeds? Like this. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi ho the dairy-o. The farmer plants the seeds. That's great. Now the other one. The sun comes out to shine. Do like this. Come on. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi ho the day, the sun comes out to
shine.
That's great. Now sing it with me. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi ho the day, the sun comes out to shine. That's great. Clap for yourself. Good job. Okay, now the other one. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to
fall.
Say with me.
The rain begins to fall.
आप हमारे साथ कह सकते हैं कहिए The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. That's great. Now how to act? The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Okay, again. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Now sing with me. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hi ho the day, the rain begins to fall. That's great. Now the other one. The seeds begin to grow. Now it's time to grow now, okay? So do like this. The seeds begins to grow. The seeds begins to grow. Hi ho the day, the seeds begins to grow. That's great. Now sing with me. The seeds begins to grow. The seeds begins to grow. Hi ho the day, the seeds begins to grow. Okay, the other one now. It's time to say the vegetables are here. Okay? Now say with me. The vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi ho the day, the vegetables are here. Okay, come on, sing with me. The vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi ho the day, the vegetables are here. That's great. Now the first one is the farmer plants the seeds. The second one is the sun comes out to shine. The third one is
the rain
begins to fall. The fourth one is
the seeds begins to grow.
Yeah, the seeds begins to grow. The fifth one is
the vegetables are here.
Yeah, the vegetables are
here.
Very good. Okay, so the last one is the farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them
up.
Okay, again. The farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. Hi ho the day, the farmer digs them
up.
Wow, that's great. Okay. Now sing it again. The farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. Hi ho the day, the farmer digs them up. Okay, so जब आपके vegetables जब आपके पास आ जाते हैं तो फिर हम क्या करते हैं?
We eat them.
Yeah, now it's time to eat. Now it's time to eat. Now it's time to eat. Hi ho the day, the farmer plants the seeds. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Can you sing it from the beginning now?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll sing together.
Yep.
Okay? Okay, so guys, I hope कि अब आप उसके lyrics याद हो चुके हैं तो क्यों ना अब हम मिलके sing करें?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's good. Now, along with actions. From the beginning.
Okay.
The farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi ho the day, the farmer plants the seed. The sun comes out to shine. The sun comes out to shine. Hi ho the day, the sun comes out to shine. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hi ho the day, the rain begins to fall. The seeds begins to grow. The seeds begins to grow. Hi ho the day, the seeds begins to grow. Okay, so now time is the vegetables are here. Come on. 1, 2, 3. The vegetables are here. The vegetables are here. Hi ho the day, the vegetables are here. The farmer digs them up. The farmer digs them up. Hi ho the day, the farmer digs them up. Now, what's are coming?
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat. So guys, are you all ready to eat them? I'm ready. Are you ready?
Me too.
Okay, come on now, say with me. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to eat. Now it's time to eat. Hi ho the baby, oh now it's time to eat. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi ho the baby, oh the farmer plants the seeds. Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. Okay guys, I hope कि आज के सेशन में आपने बहुत enjoy किया होगा. Okay, so Amarisa, can you tell me which song we have learned today?
We learned the farmer plants the seeds.
That's great. Okay, so this song is related to germination process. Okay?
Yes.
So you want to say something?
We hope कि आप लोगों को आज के सेशन में मजा आएगा. We hope you all enjoyed it, and let's move on to the next session.
Welcome again. Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Before starting and before learning new things, I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready for them? Okay. Did you have the breakfast in the morning? Healthy breakfast? Good. Did you wash your hands frequently? After and before every meal? Good. Or did you wear the mask while going out? Yes, you have to wear the mask while going out because as you know, virus is there. You have to wear the mask while going out. Okay? Stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Okay, now I will move on a new friend and a new sound, that is, let's see, who is it? Wah. What is it? Wah. Look at my lips. Wah. This is wah. Okay? Wah, watering can. And what do we do with the watering can? Yes, we water the plants with the help of watering can. Okay? Wah, waste bin. We throw garbage in the waste bin. Okay? Do you have the waste bin in your home? Good. Wah, watermelon. Oh, it's red from inside and green from outside, and it's very juicy and sweet in taste. It has many seeds. Okay? You like to eat watermelon? By the way, it's a summer fruit. Okay? Now move on. Wah, window. Window. Do you have windows in your room? Yeah, you should open the window once in a day because it's important to have fresh air in your rooms. Okay, done. Watch. We know time through the watch. Okay, are you wearing watch today? Okay, boys love to wear watches. Okay, good. Now, after wah, what is this sound? Wah. After wah, we are going to move inwards. Okay? Inwards. We already have learned E sound and we have already learned in sound. Okay. E, in, makes the sound of in. Okay? You have to remember E and N makes the sound of in. In. Okay? In. Now, s, in, sin, s, in, sin, b, in, bin. As you know, bin is a recycle bin or waste bin or dustbin. We call it bin. Okay? In, fin. This is the fin of the fish. You know, it is located in the side of the fish. See, like this. In, fin, t, in, tin. It looks like a Coke tin, isn't it so? You like Coke tin? Good. T, in, tin. Voix again. Voix. Voix. Same say voix. Voix in. Win. You have won or you win the race. Win means you have win something. Okay. Done. Now we will move on. Months of the year. We have learned the spelling of January. We have learned the spelling of February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Till October we have learned months of the year. You liked it? You learned it, huh? Okay, that means you are learning a lot. Wow, that's great. You have learned from us. It's a great feeling for me as well. Good. Now we will move on the spelling of 11th month of the year, and that is November. And one more thing I will tell you. My birthday comes in the month of November. You have to tell me when is your birthday come. Now November. I'm going to spell November. Ready? N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. And it's the 11th month of the year. I hope you are learning a lot. Isn't it so? You have learned new sounds, days of the week, months of the year, colors, fruits and vegetables, and so many things. But we are going to learn more together. For what? For that, you have to wait till tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Do you like our segments? Are you watching our segments every day on regular basis? Good job. So, will you tell me till what number we have done till now? Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Naveen and I am here from the Orchid School, and this is our new segment of Learn and Fun. So, here we are having math segment, and in math segment we have done till number 15 with quantity. And now we are doing what? We are doing with bars. So, are you all ready to do it with me? We have done till number 14. Yesterday was number 14 we have done. Now, let's see what number we have today. Today we are having number 15. What number is it? 15. A bar of 10 and 5 makes 15. What 5? These are the beads, okay? A bar of 10 and 5 beads make 15. And how do we write 15? For bar of 10, we will write 1. See, can you see 1 over here? And for 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will write number 5. So, 110 and 5 makes 15. I hope you are learning these numbers with me on daily basis. Now, let's move on to next topic. Our next topic is pattern. Do you remember we have done pattern with fruits, with 2 fruits. So now we are going to do with more fruits, more shapes and more vegetables. So are you all ready? Okay, so let's do the pattern. Can you tell me what shape is it? This is circle. Can you see this shape? It has 3 corners. We have done it before. What is it? It's a triangle. Very good. This is triangle. Then I have rectangle. It has 4 sides and it's like a door. It's like a table. And in the last I am having square shape. After circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Again I have circle, triangle, rectangle, square. So what do you think? What next shape is going to come here? Come on, think. It's going to be square or it's going to be circle? Yes, good. It's going to be circle. So I am going to paste circle. Now see, after square it's circle. Now what comes after circle? Let's do it one more time. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, then what shape is going to come next? Triangle or square? Come on, think. Very good. Triangle is going to come next. So see, after circle it's triangle. So I am going to paste my triangle here. Quickly we'll do it again. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, triangle, then what next is going to come? See, look here. It's going to be rectangle or it's going to be square? Very good. It's going to be rectangle. Good job. Now, circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Circle, triangle, rectangle, then it's going to be, the last shape is square. Well done, everyone. Okay, now I have fruits over here. I have one mango, strawberry, orange and blueberries. So what next I have? Again mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Then what will be the next? The next will be mango. So let's find mango. Okay, so which one is mango? This one is mango or this one is mango? Good, this one is mango. So I am going to paste my mango after my blueberries. Now, mango, strawberry, orange, blueberries. Mango, strawberry, orange, blueberries. Mango, then what next? Next will be strawberry. See? Let's see whether I am right or not. Mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Mango, strawberry. Yes, see, I am right. But what comes after mango now? Look here. What is after mango? It's a strawberry. And what will come after strawberry? It's going to be an orange. See? Orange. So I am going to paste orange here. Now, the last fruit is left, that is blueberries. Very good. So here I am going to paste blueberries. Now let's see whether my pattern is complete or not. Mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Or mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Mango, strawberry, orange, blueberry. Are these all similar? Good job. Yes, these all are same. Now quickly we are going to do with vegetables. Okay, I have carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. So what will come next? Look here. It's going to be carrot or it's going to be lemon? Come on, tell me. It's going to be carrot. Good. So carrot. Now after carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato, carrot, then what will come next? Brinjal. So I have to find brinjal. Now tell me, which one is brinjal? This is brinjal or this is brinjal? Yes, this is brinjal. Good. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. Carrot, brinjal. Then what will come next? It's going to be lemon. What is the taste of lemon? It's sour and color is yellow. Now see what I am doing. It's my last vegetable in my hand. It's a tomato. Now let's see whether the tomato will fix here or not. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. Carrot, brinjal, lemon, tomato. So here we go. This is the way we can do patterns. In the same way, in the same go you have to do all these patterns. You can also do it with colors, you can also do it with shapes, you can do it with different objects and enjoy this activity at home. Okay, so let's move on to next thing. What is this? Today we are going to do fraction. What we are going to do? We are going to do fraction. What is fraction? That I will tell you tomorrow. But right now we are going to do whole. I have one whole orange. I have whole tomato. I have one whole potato. And I have one whole lemon. What we are going to do next, for that you have to wait and watch our tomorrow's episode. Okay, and then I am going to explain you what fractions are. Okay, so how was today's segment? I hope you like it. Tomorrow we are going to do what? As I told you before, we'll do fraction of all these things. Okay, so wait for me for tomorrow. Miss me. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
In the art session of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. I welcome you all here, and we have our arts teacher Sir Mushtaq with us.
Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Hello Amersa, how are you beta?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
I am very much fine. Today I am going to teach you a very nice and very beautiful greeting card.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yes. Amersa, आपको पता है क्या? वैसे ही already ईद आने वाली है ना? तो आपको पता है ईद में हम क्या देते हैं? जो फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को क्या देते हैं? कार्ड्स देते हैं ना? तो हम क्या करेंगे? एक हैंडमेड कार्ड बनाएंगे अपने व्यूवर्स के लिए और बहुत इजी, बहुत स्मार्ट सा कार्ड बनाएंगे.
ठीक है. So let's start.
So we need for a very beautiful greeting card. I am going to show you the material. For the greeting card, we need black card sheet of 9 inches by 14 inches.
Okay.
We need another card sheet for the inner side. And we need colorful pages like white for inside part of the card. We need pink for the rose, and we need green for the leaves, and we need
a ruler.
We need a sharp cutter. We need a
sharp
scissor, and we need a hot glue gun, and also we need a sticker like this, and we need a pencil. So should we start?
Yes.
So guys, हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले एक कार्ड शीट लेंगे जिसका साइज है almost 9 inches by 14 inches. Now I'm going to fold it from the center like this. हम इस कार्ड शीट को सेंटर से फोल्ड किया.
ठीक है.
After folding, then हम इसके एक साइड पर एक विंडो कटिंग करेंगे. ठीक है. विंडो कटिंग करने के लिए हम लेंगे एक रूलर. इसे ओपन करेंगे. रूलर लेने के बाद हम इसे बाय पेंसिल हमने 1 इंच की लाइन कर दी.
ठीक है.
लेफ्ट साइड, देन राइट साइड, देन टॉपर साइड एंड
then bottom side.
Then bottom side. Now I will cut it by using a sharp cutter. But before you use this kind of sharp cutter, you have to use another piece of a wood, ताकि हमारा जो सरफेस है ये खराब नहीं हो. ठीक है. हमें एक्स्ट्रा पीस लेना होता है. So I am going to use a ruler. इस लाइन को हमने यहाँ से कट किया.
ठीक है.
हम थोड़ा फास्ट काम करना चाहेंगे because time is very short. Now I have done. So the first part is ready. Now इसके बाद
वी नीड सम स्ट्रिप्स। हम यहाँ पर स्ट्रिप्स के थ्रू एक लाइक जाल टाइप का बना देंगे, है ना, लाइक ऐसे। आई नीड सम स्ट्रिप, और जो मैंने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर कट की हुई है।
So how many strips do you need?
यू नीड ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 15।
More than 15.
ओके,
ठीक है।
सो इसे हम ओपन करेंगे। इनसाइड हम बाय यूजिंग स्टिको हम यहाँ पर नाउ अब हम इसे क्या करेंगे, साइड पे लगाएंगे
ठीक है।
लाइक दिस। फर्स्ट स्मॉल स्टेप,
Okay.
then another, now the first piece is ready.
It looks great.
Yes,
Yeah.
now अब ये इनर साइड है, ज़ाहिर है वो कितना अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझे, है ना। हम क्या करेंगे, इससे भी एक बाय यूजिंग अ शार्प कटर हम एक फिर से विंडो काट लेंगे इसमें, ठीक है, लाइक दिस। और इस विंडो काटने के बाद हम इसे यहाँ बैक साइड पे पेस्ट कर देंगे, ताकि बैक साइड की जो कटिंग वगैरह है, जो ग्लू है, वो नज़र नहीं आए।
Okay.
लाइक दिस।
Be careful when using a sharp cutter.
एंड ऑल्सो शार्प सीजर।
Yes.
By using this glue, I'm going to paste it over here.
Okay. It looks really nice now.
Done?
Really neat.
Yes. अब हम क्या करेंगे, वाइट पेपर लेंगे, ठीक है, इसे हम फोल्ड कर सकते हैं, फोल्ड कर लें, अगर नहीं तो फिर कोई इशू नहीं है, हम फोल्ड कर देते हैं। चलें,
और इसको आप यहाँ पे पेस्ट
यहाँ पेस्ट कर देंगे, ताकि इस वाइट पेज पे आप अपने राइटअप्स कुछ भी आप लिख सकें।
Okay. Wow, it looks really nice.
Yes. Now it's time to designing of this card.
Oh,
The base is ready.
yes.
अब डिजाइनिंग में we need some flowers.
Okay.
Flowers के लिए I need pink colorful paper. Then I will mark 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter by using this ruler.
Okay.
हमने
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter by 6 centimeter.
Okay.
ठीक है, हम निशान लगाएंगे यहाँ पर 6 सेंटीमीटर का। हमें स्क्वायर चाहिए बेसिकली,
ठीक है.
ठीक है, और ऑलरेडी आई हैव 6 सेंटीमीटर बाय 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ओवर हियर। 6 सेंटीमीटर बाय 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज रेडी। अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसे फोल्ड करेंगे कॉर्नर टू कॉर्नर,
Okay.
देन सेंटर, वन सेकेंड कॉर्नर, देन हम इसे शेप दे देंगे फ्लावर का, लाइक दिस। ये बन गया। हम इसमें एक लीफ का शेप देंगे और इसे कट कर देंगे, और जब हम कट करेंगे इस शेप को तो उसका शेप आ जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट ये। देन हम इसकी फर्स्ट पेटल, एक पेटल को कट करेंगे सेंटर से और इसे ज्वाइंट कर देंगे। जब हम इसे ज्वाइंट कर देंगे तो इसका शेप आ जाएगा ऐसे, लाइक दिस, जो कि ऑलरेडी मैंने फ्लावर्स बना के रखे हुए हैं। ठीक है, अब हम इन फ्लावर्स को इस कार्ड पर पेस्ट करेंगे। बट बिफोर पेस्टिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्लावर्स, हम क्या करेंगे, जो बीच के जो सेंटर पीस आ रहे हैं इससे हम लगाएंगे सिल्वर कलर के कुछ बीड्स। आई हैव सम बीड्स ओवर हियर। ठीक है, इसे हम वन बाय वन करके इसके सेंटर में लगा देंगे ताकि वो लुक इसका अच्छा आ जाएगा। नाउ रेडी?
यस।
एक्स्ट्रा पीस हम इसे साइड में रख देते हैं। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू पेस्ट फ्लावर्स। फ्लावर्स के लिए हम ग्लू गन ले लेते हैं। ठीक है, हमारे साथ और दे दीजिए मुझे जरा, वन बाय वन। एंड द फ्लावर्स वर्क इज डन।
इन फ्लावर्स और बीड्स ने तो इसकी ब्यूटी को और एक्सेंचुएट कर दिया।
बिल्कुल। एंड लास्ट थिंग इज मिसिंग, लीव्स, जो मैंने ऑलरेडी यहाँ बना के डिज़ाइन करके रखे हुए। ठीक है, इस लीव्स को हम लगाएंगे।
It's really wonderful.
And our card is done. So guys, our greeting card is ready. Now I'm going to end this session.
We hope कि आप लोगों को आज का सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा। आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ भी इसको शेयर कीजिएगा और इसको ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और आप लोगों के फ्रेंड्स को ये बहुत पसंद आएगा। We definitely can give a guarantee to you. So let's end this session and Allah Hafiz. We'll see you in the next session.
Bye bye.